In Kabbalah, the concept of God's unity is central and is primarily conveyed through the notion of Ein Sof, meaning the infinite or boundless. This term describes God's limitless and transcendent nature, which is beyond any human grasp or definition. Kabbalistic teachings also highlight the idea of Ein, the nothingness or void that existed before creation. This nothingness isn't emptiness, but a state filled with infinite potential, representing the reality prior to God revealing himself in the act of creation. Everything that exists flows out from this infinite source, Ein Sof. A key symbol in Kabbalah is the tree of life, which maps out the process by which divine energy unfolds. From Ein Sof, this energy flows through a series of emanations called sephirot, each representing different divine attributes. This cascading flow eventually manifests in the physical universe. Ultimately, Kabbalah teaches that while God's essence is infinitely beyond human comprehension, there is a fundamental oneness and interconnectedness that unites all of creation, reflecting the singular divine source.